Central Time, backed away to a distance of almost 600 feet away from the piers, and cosmonauts Alexei Ovchinin and Alex Kripochka have now taken over manual control of the flying of the Progress from the upgraded Toru system on a workstation, basically operating a joystick at that workstation in the Zvezda service module. That manual flying is designed to test out a new signal conversion unit that was installed in the workstation back in April. So far, everything is checked out perfectly. The Progress is slowly but surely moving back in for a redocking to the Piers docking compartment, but it will be a brief stay since it will undock for the final time late on Saturday, July 2nd, just before 11, destructive reentry back into the Earth's atmosphere. The Progress is now station keeping at about 30 meters away from the Piers docking compartment. One final check of its alignment and the systems on board the 62 Progress. So far, so good. All the reports here in Korolyov indicate a good system, a good Toru manual rendezvous backup system being operated by Ovchinin and Skripochka. This, again, a brief moment for station keeping to enable the flight controllers here to make one final assessment of the Progress systems and its alignment.
Ready to send the command to retract the antenna on your go. Copy your go to retract the overcock antenna. Command has been sent to retract the antenna. Copy, Alexei. Continue station keeping. Please do not continue in closer than 20 meters. Copy. Current range is 25 meters, Moscow. I copy, Alexei.
Russian flight controllers instructing Alexei Ovchinin to take it slowly and surely in an incremental fashion as he manually flies the Progress back in. 25 meters distance now between the Progress and a redocking to the Piers docking compartment on the Earth-facing port of the Russian segment of the International Space Station. The Piers having first launched to the station in September of 2001, serving a dual purpose as both a docking port and the airlock for Russian-based spacewalks out of the International Space Station.
We're maintaining 25-meter range. The crosshairs are aligned, and we are straight across from the docking mechanism. Copy all. Alexei, please continue station keeping. Copy, Moscow.
And the core is, of course, the automated system that is tried and true, but in the event of a problem, the crew on board the station would take over manual control of the flying of an approaching Progress, just as they are doing in this test this morning.
25 meters. Copy. Continue station keeping and maintaining attitude. And make sure that you stay at the right range. Copy and work. And we're getting video of the station as well.
Station keeping continuing for the Progress 62 cargo craft as it flies 254 statute miles over the western Pacific to the northeast.
Алексей, будем работать сейчас с пультом БПС.
Alexei, we're going to be using VPS control panel to operate the docking mechanism. I copy.
The Russian segment of the International Space Station is reported by flight controllers here in Korolyov to be ready for redocking. That should commence with the final approach for the redocking of the Progress to the Piers docking compartment just a few moments from now.
All right, Alexei. From VPS control panel, send command to activate power to just send command to power. To power up what? To power up docking mechanism. So from VPS control panel, send command, which is called activation, to activate docking mechanism. Copy. And I can report that the central or middle LEDs are on. Okay, go ahead and send command AUVK Zakar. The side LEDs came on and off, and the middle LEDs are off. Copy, Alexei. We are finished with transitioning ISS to snap and hold, and you're go to initiate final approach. Please maintain a range rate of no more than 0.15 meters per second, and we recommend that you use pulse mode on the translation hand controller and perform.
Enable the hooks to close once again for a 24-hour period before the Progress is undocked on the night of Saturday, July 2nd for the final time.
Range is 6 meters. Copy, 6 meters.
Just 6 meters away from redocking. You can see that alignment coming into perfect symmetry as Alexei Ovchinin applies kid gloves on the workstation for the Toru system inside the Zvezda service module. We'll be standing by for another brief period of station keeping before final contact and capture.
Please report when you are station keeping. I copy.
An excellent view of the Progress 62 as it has reinitiated station keeping, just about 3 meters away from the Piers docking compartment that you see on the left side. The final 3 meters to contact and capture has been initiated, everything going very smoothly, as we'll monitor the communications from the flight control team here in Korolyov and these outstanding television views that you're receiving from both International Space Station cameras and the Progress external camera.
Contact confirmed. Capture confirmed.
Contact confirmed. Docking confirmed.
450. Copy.
Docking confirmed at 1:05 a.m. Central Time. 1:05 a.m. Central Time as the International Space Station flew 254 statute miles over the South Pacific. Piers docking compartment that you see on the left side. The final 3 meters to contact and capture has an excellent view of the Progress 62 as it has reinitiated station keeping just about 3 meters away from